anything like me, a chai latte is probably one of your favorite drinks. The only downside is that they can be a bit expensive. My favorite coffee shop, they have like a chai latte that's probably my favorite of any place ever. But it's $4 for a small, and so I can't generally get one every single day like I would like to. So because of this, I'm going to show you how to make a chai latte at home. It's super simple, don't need that many ingredients. What I've got shown here is basically everything you'll need. I'm using whole milk. You could use kind of whatever milk you want. I just prefer whole milk. So what you'll want to do is, I've got some chai right there, and I've got a pan of water right there. So we'll go ahead and get that boiling. We'll just make the chai as if like we were making any other drink or any other cup of tea. So go ahead and take a cup, and we'll want to, oh my goodness, it's hard to do this with one hand. We'll want to open the milk and probably pour it about halfway-ish. I think right about there is good. I've also got a bit of cinnamon. I really like cinnamon in my chai, but you can kind of use whatever you want. I know some friends of mine, they use like ginger and turmeric. But yeah, like depending on how spicy you want it, just do whatever. So now that we've got our milk and we've got our pan getting ready to boil, we're gonna want to take our chai concentrate and go ahead and fill up the mug the rest of the way. There we go, perfect. And go ahead and turn the stove off because we won't actually be needing that. Yeah, you're all set.